Hello everybody. So by running the sudo command gdisk -held dev sda to list the partition table the device. So the information I got is just we got a start sector and the end sector, the size on each sector, and the respective partition we got in this our Ubuntu server. In our case, we got three partitions. The first one is 1024 kilobytes, and the second one is 2 gigabytes, and the last one is 48 gigabytes. That means we got three partition and we got code on the selecting partitions. Okay. By using the G disk with the following NOP here to perform the selected device, we got on the end this one means to create a new partitions. So the O is to create a new empty GUID partition table GPT, so on the selected device, and the P is to print the partition table of the selected device, and this Q is to exit quite without saving. So on this command sudo partition, the information this is display is the partition on each connected device inside of my Ubuntu server. So I got all the information about all the partition available on the device, in this device. Each partition in their respective sectors, start and end, the size and the kind of files. For example, on the partition 2 we got the file system name. On the first partition we got on the file system name, and on the last partition, the second one, we got a model where the Linux is inserted on the second partition, and the last one we got the file system flags. So the command can be used to display a list of the partitions on the device. Is we can use the ls command within the parted utility. We can use sudo and parted, and we got the information to rename a partitions. Can be we can use name command within the parted utility. We can use, for example, sudo and then the name 1, for example, and the new name. So the whole name and the new name. That is the command we can use to rename a partition. So to delete a partitions, we can use rm command within the parted utility. Here is the syntax we can use: sudo remove and, for example, y. So now I'm going to power off my Ubuntu server and then to create a new 10 gigabyte virtual hard disk. Ls build. You can see we got the 10 gigabyte disk. This one is SDB. So we can at the same time use the following command: we got disk dev ata vbox hard disk 10 gigabytes. So in creating a virtual hard disk and partition within my virtual machine, I learned the process of creating additional storage space for specific purposes, such as storing files accessible only to IT. This involved understanding commands like lsbuild, lsblk, lsblk, parted, and jdisk to identify devices, manage partitions, and interact with disks partition table. So additionally, I gained familiarity with creating, naming, and deleting partitions to organize and utilize the allocated storage efficiently. Thank you for watching.